Did somebody ask for cheap curly hair products that you don't have to like sell a kidney for? Literally, you probably only have to sell like a fingernail for these. They're so cheap. And again, it's Lana here, and today I am going to be reviewing the Primark curl line. Who knew it existed? I picked this up in the shop in the Tottenham Court Road branch in London. It's huge in there, so I think they do have a lot of stuff that some other smaller Primarks may or may not have. I asked you guys on Instagram, did you want me to review these? I don't know if you guys are even going to remember this anymore because it was literally like 2 months ago. I'm finally getting around to doing this review for you guys. This is probably where I'm going to sit for a lot of Vlogmas just because this setup is so much easier than like my filming setup. I'm right by the window, which is why there's natural light. My window in my room is really small. With all that being said, let's get to the point of this video. So I'm gonna go get them because I should have got them before I started this video. Hello! I lost them! This whole box has got curly hair products in it. They're in, oh my gosh. I have them! These products, shiny, foil, gold, goodness, realness, they look expensive. I'm not crazy, am I? They look expensive. I have 2 silvers and we have like a gold one, which makes me think that maybe more will get added to the line because like, why would you have 2 silvers and a gold? Like, you can't leave the gold by itself. I'm already envisaging gold standard curl cream. I'm excited. This looks good. We got a picture of a curly girl on there. It looks like some sort of like early 2000s Bliss magazine drawing that I used to like aspire to be. Anybody know what I'm talking about? I'm so excited. The range comes under the PS range and I'm not entirely sure what PS stands for, if it's like Primark sells, Primark shares, Primark secret, if it's literally just like PS. We have a shampoo. This is a cleansing shampoo suitable for textured hair. Already I'm kind of loving their phrasing and I'm kind of loving their imagery. They are showing a girl here who's got like 3C curls. I have seen so many mainstream brands talking about curls and they will only show like 3A curls at most. Like they're all of a sudden like, we're introducing a curl range, but they are so scared to go more than like 3A. Already they're showing me 3C. I'm excited. They're talking about textured hair. I'm ecstatic. And they're also talking about hydrates, dry and damaged hair, leaves hair looking healthy and shiny. It has shea butter. Like, this is an exciting time. And this bottle is 200 ml. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was more than 200 ml. Like, this looks bigger than 200 ml. I'm not mad about it because it was £2. 2 English pounds. 200 pennies. 200 pennies makes it sound like a lot. It was £2. Thus, my excitement is fading a little bit because there is nothing whatsoever on here about it being cruelty free. I wish it was. Ugh. Nothing on here about it being vegan. Okay. I mean, I have them now. They're here in my possession. I have them. My excitement got the best of me, I guess. But that's the whole point of this video. I'm here to review the products. I'm testing them out. I think a lot of you guys haven't seen these in the shops yet, so I'm here to tell you this is 100% not Curly Girl approved. The second most concentrated ingredient in this is sodium lauryl sulfate. I can't read. I feel like I can literally see the sulfates in this. This will be drying if you use it every day. What I do kind of like about it is that it hasn't said anything about you have to use it every day. It has not used the words daily cleansing. And if you guys know anything about my channel, you know that we as Sunbeams, we hate the word daily cleansing. But don't talk to us about daily cleansing. It just says cleansing, which is fair enough. Because you know, sometimes if you're only going to wash your hair every couple of weeks or something like that, you want to have a good cleanse. Maybe sulfates are not the worst thing in the world in that situation. Next thing is the conditioner. So they say after shampooing, squeeze excess water from the hair, apply evenly through hair, concentrating on lengths and ends, rinse thoroughly. That's fair enough. Good instructions. Then they say for a more intensive treatment, leave on the hair for 10 minutes before rinsing. Okay, good. These were actually made in Germany. We love you, Germany. We love you, Europe. I guess when we leave the EU, maybe we won't be able to get these curly hair products. Oh my gosh, my arm hurts. Who invented funny bones? These were actually made in Germany. Products were made in Germany, which is a member state of the European Union, and I'm pretty sure the European Union banned animal testing across cosmetics, and I think that also includes shampoos, conditioners, etc. So that leads me to believe that these products are cruelty-free by default, and if that's the case, I don't know why they wouldn't put it on their packaging. That's a major selling point. This is going to require a little bit more research from me. I need to get to the bottom of this. The next one, the gold standard, the curl defining cream. I honestly forgot that they had this. When I found them both in Primark, I thought it was just these two, and I remember being like so shook when I saw this as well, and honestly since then I've forgotten about it. But this is a curl defining cream. Like, who would have thought? Primark of all places, and it's £2. Again, this is only a 150ml bottle, so this comes to £1.33 per 100ml. But really, who's counting pennies when the products are this price? So this is the curl defining cream suitable for textured hair with shea butter, smooths away frizz, leaves curls, enhanced and shiny. Let's hope it does. I speak fluent vine. GB, directions for use. Apply to damp hair, focusing on the ends. Distribute evenly. Do not rinse out. Style hair as usual. They said do not rinse out. Style hair as usual. Scrunch curls for extra definition. Scrunching has made it to the mainstream. They know about scrunching. They know all of our secrets. I don't know if other review channels do this, but with me, I have to smell everything because, oh my gosh, I can't get it open. This has got the weirdest. I have to do the smell test because we don't have scratch and sniff on videos. I have to tell you how things smell. Oh, that was easy. It's kind of like how you open an ice cream tub. Oh, my nose. I don't know how to describe this smell. Like, not particularly sweet. They didn't claim to smell like tropical flower paradise, beauty, ocean, scent, sea salt, love. It just smells kind of clean, which I know some people like Charlotte. Charlotte, if you're watching this from The Stylum, I know she hates scents, like strong scents in her products. I personally am not a fan of the strong smelling scents that make you feel a bit dizzy. I'm not a fan of, but I appreciate kind of just a sweet smelling scent. This is peppermint tea. I have to drink peppermint tea instead of green tea because green tea has caffeine, and I was drinking like just 2 or 3 cups of green tea a day for like the last 3 days, and I realized I couldn't sleep. And I thought maybe it's because I didn't go to the gym that day, so I went to the gym and I was like, damn, I still can't sleep, and now I'm absolutely exhausted. And then I thought, maybe it's the green tea. So I switched to peppermint tea, which is caffeine free, and now I'm good. I'm Gucci. I had an amazing sleep last night. I feel good. I went to the gym this morning, ran further than ever. Feeling good, feeling pumped. Peppermint tea, everybody. So let's go and use the products. Let's go and do it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I can't get it open. Okay, I don't know. It was easy. Oh god, it's gonna lather up. That is what we call sulfate. Hopefully my hair is not going to get too dried out. Honestly, I don't feel like my hair is getting dried out. I've definitely experienced harsher shampoos in my life. This one is not the harshest. It kind of feels soft in a way I wasn't expecting. Oh, I'm cold. It's so hard to open it though. Like, what is this about? Do you want me to use it or not? Okay. I have to use my nails to open it, which is a dangerous business if you are part of the long nail gang. I feel like my hair is in good hands. Can't open it though. Oh my god, I got it all over my face. No.
Put it in slow-mo because I couldn't figure out how the shampoo got on my face, but look at it, it's freaky. That shampoo fully jumped out of my hand. I'm telling you guys, this is not shampoo. I think I've got a frigging spider web growing out of my hand.
You know what else is good about this is that it does not say, oh, do it again. Like, it doesn't say lather, rinse, lather again. You know, I don't know if many products say that anymore, but lots of products used to be like, oh, shampoo twice. This one actually doesn't say that, so thank you, Primark, for not trying to ruin my hair. It does also contain shea butter, which I think is helping to give this more of a soft feel. It doesn't feel like it's stripping my hair. Honestly, we'll know when we rinse it, because you know, sometimes you rinse your hair after shampooing and it feels really dry, so I guess we'll do that now. Guys, I'm scared. My hair is literally squeaky clean right now. Like, I was literally getting all of the shampoo out and it started squeaking. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Listen, I haven't gone crazy. Look. I don't know if my hair's ever done that before. I'm gonna apply this all through my hair. Why? Why are they doing this? Why is it so hard to open? Well, it said to focus it on the end, so I'm gonna do that. I gotta section my hair off. This is so annoying that I can't open it. It feels soft. It smells mildly like shea butter. Oops. I have my detangling brush right here. I'm gonna start detangling at the ends. Oh, raise your hand if you hate tangles. So I will say that was not the worst experience of my life. That actually really helped me to detangle my hair. Like, this really didn't even take very long. My hair is so detangled and this actually feels really soft. I'm so amazed. Obviously, I think it does have silicones in it. It does contain castor oil and shea butter, so it could be that that's helping me out. But honestly, my hair feels thoroughly detangled. Like, I can literally run my hands through my hair right now. I'm really surprised. I thought that that was going to be really tough. I thought it was going to dry out, or it just wasn't going to have a lot of slip, or it wasn't really going to feel very soft. But it actually does. Oh my gosh, I just created a tangle though. Anyway, I'm gonna rinse it out now and then I'm gonna see you guys back at my desk. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry. Anyway, hi you guys. So I'm back from the shower. It wasn't that long. For me, it was longer than it was for you. Oh my gosh, my fingers. My fingers are doing the wrinkly thing. Now it's time to use the gold bang bang. That doesn't make any sense.
Careful. Bang, bang.
I also gave my hair a cold rinse in case you were wondering, because I want to give these products a fighting chance. Like, I want to do the most. It's only fair if I give all the products the same treatment. So I did a cold rinse because that should help make my hair smoother, less frizzy. So if I do it for some products, then I need to do it for all the products, right? I just hate doing a cold rinse on cold days like this though, because right now I'm freezing. Oh my gosh. A running theme with all of these products is that they're really hard to open. I just proved myself wrong massively, and then it just spat in my eye. Aha! Aha! See? Aha! Aha! I don't know how much of this I'm supposed to use. I don't know if this is going to have any sort of moisturizing properties. I mean, it's literally the curl defining cream. It doesn't say anything about leave-in conditioner, moisture. I'm really just going to run this through the lengths and the ends of my hair, like the mid lengths, probably to like here and here, because I want to have a lot of volume, so I don't want to have like a lot of definition up here. I'd rather this was like frizzy and big. I don't have a very, oh my gosh, this is, I'm saying run it through the ends. Honestly, it doesn't feel bad. It does not feel like I'm using a bad product right now. All the signs are pointing to a good result. Let's not jinx it though, let's not jinx it. That was loud. It's giving me high hopes. Ooh, this feels silky. It feels like a, I mean, I know that that's probably silicones giving it that effect. It has dimethicone, which I'm pretty sure is a silicone, which is not very good, because what it means is basically my hair is getting a kind of plastic sheen right now, a fake shine, an imposter glisten. It's not gonna be real. I think for £2, what did you expect? Oh my gosh, I can't open it. It's probably a good thing. I think I've applied enough. I do need to go out tomorrow and I won't have time to wash my hair again if this is a disaster. So just to kind of give myself a little safety basket, a little safety net, just gonna take some coconut oil. I'm just gonna run this through my hair just to make sure that some moisture is locked in and that I don't have like really dry, hay looking hair tomorrow. I'm going to brush this through for even distribution. I mean, but seriously, look, my hair is not tangled. Oh my gosh, this dog next door. Around, what time is it? It's gotta be like, see, it's like 3:30. He just starts barking like a maniac. Oh, he stopped. I hope he didn't die. Oh my God, Becky, look at that. Curls. If you guys are watching this and you are unsure of why silicones are bad, it's because they're plastic, essentially. They are difficult to remove, so it means that you generally have to use more shampoo and more sulfates in order to remove the silicones. More sulfates are drying, and then it's just this whole cycle usually. I watch too much YouTube. Okay, my hair is scrunched to the gods. So we're just gonna leave it like this now and hope for the best. So that's everything, but of course we need to see how the curl cream actually works. Is my hair gonna look moisturized? Is it gonna be defined? Is it gonna be flaky? These are all things I don't know the answer to yet, so I'm gonna have to wait until my hair dries, which is gonna happen about now. Guys, this is how it turned out. I'm absolutely amazed. I cannot believe it. I'm shook. I was not expecting this. My hair looks shiny, which granted could be the coconut oil that's making it look shiny, but the curl definition, Literally, it's giving me curls I didn't know I had. And you know this video is the same because I still have the same pimples. I mean, I've got makeup on now, but I still have the same pimples that I had yesterday. So you know it's real, babe. It really clumped my curls together really well. I just really like this whole section over here because at the top of my head is where my hair starts to get a bit wavy. And I think the way that I usually run products through my hair at the top means that it doesn't form curls very well. It's kind of just wavy at the top. But look at what do we have here. Ooh, look at that. And it's shiny and it looks soft. I'm pretty sure that's the silicones in this product that's making it look shiny. You know, if you want to be balling on a budget, this may be your answer. Ooh, oh my god. I'm happy, darling. I'm happy. I'm happy, darling. Seriously, I have a lot of volume and I have a lot of definition. This is probably the best results that I've had from a curly hair routine in a very long time. I've got volume, I've got shine, I've got definition, I've got bounce. I did not expect to find the perfect curly hair routine at Primark. Let's just get one thing straight. This is by no means the perfect curly hair routine because it's not curly girl friendly. There are sulfates in the shampoo. There are silicones in the conditioner. Those things may be damaging to our hair over time, so I would only probably use this once every 2 weeks at most. The curl cream might be the best curl cream that I have found for that price. Curly queens out here who are spending their pennies in more wiser ways. That is it for the end of this video. Please remember to thumbs it up if you liked it, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family if you think it could be helpful to them. I really think it is helpful. I did not expect these Primark products to have this result on my hair. I think I would have been glad to see this video. Just saying. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Stay